sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Providence Police Department. Residents in Providence, remain alert at all times. There have been many reports of people getting vivid hallucinations after they've looked at a mirror for more than 2 minutes. It isn't known what is causing this, but all residents are strongly advised to not look at any reflective objects for more than 2 minutes. If you or anyone else in your home gets these hallucinations, get to the nearest hospital and do not interfere with the person getting the hallucinations. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this unusual situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. We have an update about the ongoing situation. People who look at a mirror or any reflective object for more than 2 minutes have been experiencing vivid and disturbing hallucinations. If a person stares at a mirror for a prolonged period of time, then that person will most likely become possessed. Why this is going on right now is unknown at this time. All residents are strongly advised to avoid looking at any reflective objects at all times. If you notice anyone having strange behavior after looking at a mirror, keep a distance away from them. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this potentially dangerous situation.
Breaking news. Will you turn off the goddamn music? Thank you. Anyways, thanks for tuning into some random station. I don't know what it's called. Seriously, I don't know. Okay, I'll get back on topic for real this time. As I was saying, there have been many reports in Providence and other surrounding areas that people are getting vivid hallucinations if they look at a mirror for more than 2 minutes. In some cases, people have even gotten possessed if they've looked at a mirror for about 5 to 10 minutes. All residents are advised to do the following. Do not look at any mirrors or reflective objects for more than 2 minutes. If you notice anybody having strange behavior after looking at a mirror, move away from them as quickly and calmly as possible. Do not interfere with anybody getting hallucinations. Follow all these instructions carefully and stay safe out there. Alright, I'ma head out now. Peace.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Rhode Island Police Department. The situation involving mirrors and reflective objects has gotten worse. The people that have gotten possessed are now roaming around the entire state of Rhode Island. All residents are strongly advised to shelter in place. To shelter in place, lock all doors and windows, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, close all fireplace dampers, and seal all cracks on windows and doors with tape or damp towels. Make sure to take supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. If anyone in your shelter is exhibiting strange behavior after looking at a mirror, quarantine them immediately. If anybody that possessed tries to break into your home, use armed protection by all means necessary. Stay tuned to the station for more information and updates as it becomes available.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The situation involving reflective objects has gotten slightly worse. Now people are reporting that every time you look in a reflective object, specifically in your reflection's eyes, you will see a very distorted version of yourself in the mirror and sometimes outside the mirror. If you look in your reflection's eyes for a long period of time, in some cases, people have even been sucked into the mirror by their own reflection. If you see a distorted version of yourself in a mirror or any reflective object, look away from the mirror immediately. We are advising everyone to stay in their shelters as the possessed people are still at large. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this unusual and dangerous situation.
I never thought something like this would ever happen. I thought it only existed in the movies.
Tell me about it. What the hell is up with this world? Oh wait, we inside an EAS scenario, of course weird stuff is going to happen here.
Paul, I don't think we're supposed to break the fourth wall. Now the creator is going to get mad at us.
Oh please, I sure Shadow Fanatic will be fine. Plus, I don't think she knows we even breaking the fourth wall right now.
Paul, you do realize she made us talk, right? I'm sure she knows exactly what we're doing right now.
Alright, that's enough, let's get back on topic. Wait a minute, I just got a notification, let's see what it is. Oh my God. Tom, Paul. You guys have to see this notification.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The phenomenon involving reflective objects is now affecting the entire United States. More and more people are getting hallucinations, getting possessed, and getting sucked into a reflective object. All residents are strongly advised to stay hidden from the public, and to not, by any means, look into any reflective objects at all. We don't know if this situation will ever end. So far we don't see it ending anytime soon. All we can do now is pray. Stay safe, everyone.
This is an emergency action termination. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. The phenomenon that was involving reflective objects has suddenly disappeared, and the possessed people have suddenly collapsed to the ground and either died or went back to normal. It is unknown if the situation is over, but all residents are advised to stay in your shelters as the situation might not be over yet. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. All normal programming may resume for now.